This is Mother Eagle. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for being an active member of this community. We are the Eagles and we fly high, high, high. Well, the topic for today is massive action, taking massive action. It's one thing to have a dream, it's another thing to put steps to it. So when you have your dream, one, make sure you have it written down. Write your vision down and make it plain. Yes, it's good to get all that mental ideas into written form because it helps with clarity. Then you have to start taking inspired action. As you get inspired, you implement. And the action has to be massive, has to be aggressive. If you take small actions, they may take too long and you give up on the way, but you don't want to give up. You want to continue going. So always take massive action. Greatness is not for the lazy people. So if you're lazy, chances are you'll remain where you are. So, and laziness is almost a disease. An object at rest is usually remains at rest until an external force comes and pushes it out of the way. So be mindful if you see characteristics of laziness in yourself. And you know when you're lazy, find strong friends and members who help you get out of that complacency mindset. Because if your dream is not juicy and fueling enough, chances are you'll get into a place of complacency. But you have to take massive action to allow and give the dreams a chance. If you're taking small steps, you give up. But massive action is necessary, and keep going. Don't give up. You do what you have to do. All right. This is Mother Eagle encouraging you. Take massive action and take it now. Talk to you soon. Bye.